Hi. Today I will show you how you can use our new version of SBC Solver to solve daily SBCs and open the rewards pack in less than 5 minutes. Click on Solve Daily SBCs and then select your settings. You can apply various filters to exclude or prioritize some players. Based on your filters, the solver will create solutions. You can use Ignore Solution to exclude any solutions from submitting. The solver will automatically loop through and show you all the created solutions. Once you've viewed all the solutions, you can then use Submit to start submitting the solutions. Once all the solutions are submitted, you can then open the rewards pack using the pack opener, or select No to open manually later. I will use the pack opener to show you how it works. Select the opener settings, like how tradable players or untradable managers should be handled by the opener. Wait for a couple of minutes for the opener to open all the packs. Once done, the opener will show you the summary of all the items, and the action was taken for each item. The link for the extension is in the description and in the pinned comment. The pack opener is free to use, but SBC Solver requires a paid subscription. You can use the link in the description to get 25% off for the first 2 months.